Hey guys, Dr. Mike with Physio, Orthopedics, and Performance, and today I want to talk to you about an exercise that I see very commonly used for my CrossFit athletes, my runners, and even my powerlifters. Some people call it the four-way monster walk. I've also heard it referred to as a monster walk or a cowboy walk. The way it's going to work is what you're going to do is you're going to take a TheraBand, tie it around the knees, and you want to pull the knees in. From there, you're going to take a mini squat, and you're actually just going to step out to the side. You go 10 in one direction, and you'll go 10 in the other direction. So that's the monster walk portion. And then the cowboy walk, which is a little different from normal, is you're actually going to step out and together, and you go back, out, together. Like I said, this is a great exercise for my endurance athletes. So whether you're trying to recover from an injury, prevent an injury, or even push performance, this is a good one to add to your arsenal. If you're seeking a little bit more specific treatment, you can actually schedule an appointment online at physioorthoperform.com.